Hey guys, broke this shovel here, but one thing I noticed is that this handle's still new, right? So, I mean, look, the tags are even still on it. So it's fairly new. It's still salvageable. And so this thing is definitely good. So I hate to toss either one. All right, I bought this flap disc at Lowe's for about 10 bucks. So this is what I'm gonna use here. Go ahead and use this puncher and try and punch these out. Okay, got it in the vise. I'm gonna go ahead and try and use a punch and just knock this old wooden piece out of there. Oh yeah, it's moving. So there's a happy medium here between vise tightness and then like clamping down on the wood piece. So I didn't tighten it down all the way. I want this thing to slide out easy. Reposition, retighten a little bit. It's moving though. Oh yeah, see, we got progress there. Okay, there we go. Got it out of there. Well, here's how this thing initially looked. So this was connected to here. So, which is nice I got this out because I can use it as a template for my taper. I don't know how much to taper this down. All right, that only took me about 5 minutes. And then just kind of compare it to this one. Pretty close. I think that's gonna fit. Put it in the vise. Drill some holes through there. I'm going to use these old door hinges pins for the pins that slide through there. Hey guys, I got a little JB weld here. I'm gonna just plug those holes with and mix it up. Just a little bit. This is just so that water doesn't get down in there. Try to do 50-50 here, close to it. There we go. mash it down into that hole as much as I can. With the excess, I just put it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and cover the handle in this boiled linseed oil. All right, there's the final product. I'm gonna let that linseed oil soak in real good. I even covered the shovel head with it too. And then I'll probably put another coat on there just to keep it from the weather. You know, I leave my shovels outside quite a bit, so just to make it last just a little bit longer. All right, guys, thanks for watching.